you came into my life, everything suddenly felt right. I was lost, but you helped me see what love was meant to be. Every day, you're the reason I hold on tight. Through the highs and the lows, I would choose you once again.